I just diced a half of onion in seconds and it could not have been easier. This thing is so popular and now I see why. You want to understand why people love this? Let me show you. Nobody actually likes cutting onions. It hurts your eyes, it makes your hands smell, and this promises to dice up an onion in a way you've never had it diced before. It's so popular, so I'm beyond curious how well it actually works and how easy it is to use. This is the first time using it. This is incredibly sharp, so don't put your fingers near it. Fun fact, my husband almost lost his fingertip slicing sweet potatoes with a mandolin. Here we go. Am I doing this right? Feels like a lot of pressure. Boom. Maybe it just needed one and done first. Okay, easy peasy, one more piece here. So the smaller you go, definitely the easier. You don't have to put all your body weight in like I just did. Did not make my eyes water whatsoever, so there's a win right there. Now I have perfectly diced onions. These are gonna go on top of salads. I could also see this being perfect for salsa. This is cool. What's also neat is it's not just an onion chopper. This thing is a 4-in-1. You can spiral with it. There's different blades. You can cut potatoes with it. Okay, I see why it's popular. Comes with little brushes to clean it out. And then you have this great carrying case down here to keep everything from going bad. So I like it. I think you're gonna love it.